Hello, hi guys! Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. This is Shirpa Masagarit Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong tanghali na to, tignan natin na nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2023 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click your subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, ano ang gusto mo sabihin sa ating mga kapatid na Leo for the month of October 2023? Angel Spirit Guides, ano ang pinaka-mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? There is an Ace of Swords. Okay, a Page of Swords, sorry. There's a Page of Swords. There's an information. May kumukuha ng information sa iyo sa mga nasa paligid mo. Maraming blockages dito or maraming mga nismosa na pinagchichismisan ka behind your back. Kasi the Page of Swords is information, no? Parang, kumbaga uhaw sa kaalaman o uhaw sa informations. And of course, the Ace of Swords, sinasabi dito na full of burden, full of negativity or toxicities na nasa paligid, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, maraming taong pinagchichismisan ka behind your back. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is an 8 of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin naman dito about sa 8 of Pentacles, mag-focus ka about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. And of course, then you are being dedicated. Kumbaga, kailangan dedication ka doon sa ginagawa mo at kailangan focus ka doon para may sakatuparan mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. At the same time, there's a devil card. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a devil energy. Ang lakas ng energy dito, there's a toxicities behind. So, ibig sabihin dito, maraming tao sa paligid mo na toxic. Either, maraming tao dito na parang, kumbaga, binubuli ka or something na, kumbaga, may devil energy or negativity. What is additional messages? Because there is a 9 of Swords. Some of you guys, hindi ka makatulog, hindi kumbaga, pag natutulog ka bukas ang diwa mo, or some of you, nagigising ka sa awesome of nowhere, kumbaga, para kang natatakot, no? Or para kang nangangamba or something, para hindi ka mapakali. Okay, para kinakabahan ka daw out of nowhere. What is additional messages? And because there's a 9 of Pentacles, being of practicality, no? Kumbaga, kailangan practical ka sa pagdating sa finances. So, let's see what is additional messages. What is the Page of Swords? And of course, there's a 2 of Pentacles. And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. Sinasabi dito, maging balanse ka, no? Kumbaga, tignan mo yung bigger picture of yourself. Tignan mo yung mga bagay na mas kumbaga, yung magiging maganda yung kalalabasan or yung kung ano yung kahihinat na ng eksena na to, no? Get more information. What is the 8 of Swords? At the same time, there's a Death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. No, dapat tapusin mo na toxicities na to at kailangan mabasag mo na tong blockages na to. Kasi there's a lot of blockages kaya hindi nagko-continuous yung pasok na magandang kapalaran sa'yo. Kasi there's a negativity na nakapalibot sa'yo eh. It's either kailangan mo mag-cleansing or home cleansing, either kailangan mo pagpagamot para mabasag lahat ng mga blockages sa'yo. Kasi mamaya meron kang curse or sumpa na nagbibigay sa'yo ng pabigat. And of course, the Justice card is the Death card. Kung baga sinasabi sa'yo, there's an ending and a new beginning. Kung baga magkakaroon ka ng transformation. Kung baga kaakibat nito, yung dati mong eksena na, kung baga sunod-sunod yung problema pinagdaanan mo. Kapag nabasag mo na yung mga blockages na yan, tendency magkakaroon ka na ng pasok na magandang kapalaran sa'yo. So, what is the 8 of Pentacles? 8 of Pentacles represent a wheel of fortune. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Kumbaga, yung ikot ng kapalaran, imbis na dati minamalas ka, ngayon suswertihin ka na. Kasi kumbaga dito, kumbaga, ginawa mo na yung part mo, nawala na yung blockages, nawala na yung ano, kumbaga, there's an money coming in, nagtutuloy-tuloy na yung swerte. Kasi dito, kumbaga, may papasok na pera, tapos may lalabas na pera. Kumbaga, nagkaano lang siya, kumbaga, nagba-vice versa o something. Kumbaga, that because of kapag may papasok na pera malaki, tapos biglang may problema or mayroong instances na magkakaroon ka ng bigla ang gastos. Ganon, kumbaga, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng stabilize. And ako sinasabi ng Wheel of Fortune dito is, kumbaga, magiging maganda na yung kapalaran mo with the wheel and of course with the bless, no? Kumbaga, may bless talaga sinasabi dito na mukhang suswertihin ka na with the Wheel of Fortune. Iikot yung kapalaran, turning into your favor. At the same time, there's, I told you, magician. Ito, pinakamalakas sa energy. The devil and of course, the magician. Ibig sabihin, may gumagawa talaga sa'yo ng black magic involved, no? Some of you, mayroon talagang mangko dito, no? May mangko ako na sa sense talaga. There's a negativity. Ang lakas ng energy na yan. So, what is the Knight of Swords? What is the Nine of Swords? There's a Nine of Wands. There's a final push. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. Kahit na pagod at na parang masakit yung katawan mo, hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw, you need to take an action. No? Kumbaga, para malapit mo at may sakataparan mo na yung dapat mong gawin. At para makaalis ka na to sa toxicities. So, what is the Nine of Pentacles? Nagkaroon ka na rin pala daw ng idea dito, no? Kumbaga, pumasok na nagsiki na sa utak mo na, hindi na normal eh. It's not normal na nangyayari to sa akin ganito, ganyan. Ganun na yung mindset mo. And of course, there's a 10 of Wands and of course, a 10 of Swords. See? Nagkaroon ng backstabbing and burden, no? Maraming binigay sa yung pampabigat at pampahirap. Kumbaga, itong tao na to ay binigyan ka talaga ng pighati at talagang pagbagsak ng eksena na to. What is the Page of Swords? And of course, the Queen of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. And because there is a Page of Cups, listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuitions mo, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, na there's something wrong behind this. So, what is the Eight of Swords and the Death card? Okay. There's a Seven of Swords. See? There's a cheating or Three of Swords, sorry. There's a Three of Swords. No? Maraming naiinggit sa'yo. At maraming taong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Pero sinasabi dito, kumbaga, iikot na eksena nito na, kumbaga, yung mga ginawa sa'yo dito, babalik sa kanila. Pero you need to take an action. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng protection and of course, mablock at talagang mabasag tong negativity na to. So, what is the Devil? Of course, the Magician. What is the Devil and the Magician? And of course, there's a Seven of Swords. I told you, diba? There's a cheating on lying on you. Kumbaga, itong tao na to, it's either your, kumbaga may kinalaman sa it's either friend, relatives, ex, or friends. Kumbaga, nasa surroundings or kapitbahay mo lang. No? Kumbaga, nasa, mo to nasa chart mo or nasa palibot mo lang to, nasa paligid mo lang. Nasa surroundings mo lang, environment, ganon. What is the Knight of Swords? Pero because there's a Three of Pentacles, okay, collaboration, no? Kailangan mo makipag-coordinate or kailangan mo makipag-usap for the healer, for something na makakatulong sa iyo. You need to take an action for this. What is additional messages for the Nine of Pentacles and the Ten of sa Ten of Wands and of course the Ten of Swords. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. Wow! There's a fast communication. Magiging mabilis daw to, ha? Kumbaga, there's a messages, email na makakatulong sa'yo. And of course, guys, lakas ng energy dito na ang ganda magiging pasok sa'yo ng October 2023. You know why? There's an 8. So that mean na magkakaroon ka ng blossoming abundance dito. Kumbaga, there's an infinite with the 8, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito talaga na magtutuloy-tuloy na ipasok na maganda kapalara sa'yo. Kumbaga, umiikot lang yung eksena na to, kaya you need to take an action. Kaya pala ganito, ha, nagkakaroon ng back and forth pagdating sa negative and positive energy. That because of you have a full negativity, no? Kumbaga, ang dami mong devil and of course the negativity or blockages. Kumbaga, ito yan, guys. Yung swerte at malas. Kumbaga, may ginagawang malas sa'yo. Kumbaga, may papasok na pera sa'yo. Papasok siya at magdadivert siya by negative energy. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, ano lang siya, kumbaga, ano siya kumbaga, may papasok na swerte, tapos kaakibat nun, malas naman. Ganun siya. Tapos, kapag may sunod-sunod na swerte, susunod yan, malas naman. Ganon. Kumbaga, hindi nagiging stable yung pasok na maganda kapalaran sa'yo. That's because of, there's a negativity na gawa sa'yo. Kumbaga, infinite siya, paikot-ikot lang. So, you need to take an action this kasi the Wheel of Fortune, kumbaga sinasabi dito, naiikot yung kapalaran sa'yo na kailangan puro magagandang eksena lang. May mga minimal na negativity, pero ano na lang yung konti lang yun. Pero it's a normal. Pero ang nangyayari kasi sa'yo, it's not normal. No? It's not normal kasi may taong gumagawa sa'yo ng pampabigat at pampamalas. So, let's see what is a Love Oracle card. Lakas ang energy, ha? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a hand with a card. Nasa sa'yo yung alas, no? Take chance and risk. Kung hindi ka susugal sa eksena na to, hindi mo malalaman na to katotohanan sa likod ng eksena na to. At the same time, the sword and the rose. There's a clarity, truth, and revelation. No? Malalaman mo ang katotohanan na to sa likod ng mga bagay na to. Kasi there's a protection. You need to do something. You need to protect your power, protect your energy, and protect your territory. And of course, what is the Eight of Swords in the Death card? Hindi pa pala natin siya my goodness. Wow, Six of Pentacles. See? Kapag natapos mo tong blockages na to, tatabasag mo tong blockages na to, alam niyo yung tendency, the Six of Pentacles, magtutuloy-tuloy na yung pasok na maganda kapalaran sa iyo. Yung pera, kumbaga there's a give and take na, kumbaga tuloy-tuloy, balance na siya, There's a gift from the universe na magtutuloy-tuloy na siya. There? See? Diba? Nagkaroon ka na clarity, truth, and revelation, and you need to take an protection, no? At the same time, nasa sayo yung chance, no? Nasa sayo yung alas, kung magtitake ka ng risk or hindi. So, you need to take an action. So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? And of course, there is a planting, manifesting. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga kung ano man ang tinanim mo, siyang aanihin mo, no? Kung hindi ka nagpundar, wala kang i-harvest at the end of the time. So, what is our kang Raphael messages? Sinasabi dito, guys, there's a relationship, no? Ang lakas ng energy na may involved daw ang relationship. And of course, listen to your intuitive feelings, na makinig ka raw sa intuitions mo. And gut feeling mo. So, what is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, guys, there's an artist na ikaw yung magbibigay ng kumbaga kulay or magbibigay ng magandang kapalaran sa buhay mo. And of course, there's a teaching. Marami ka may inspire na tao na kumbaga marami matututunan sa iyo sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo. So let's see what is additional messages. At the same time, there's a blame. Wala kang ibang sisisihin kundi ang sarili mo. Responsibilidad mo yan at kailangan mong resolusyonan yan. And of course, there's an envy. Kumbaga, same and everything but different challenges. Magkakaiba naman tayo ng challenges at pagalingan na lang tayo ng pagdala kung paano natin masusolusyonan yung mga pinagdadaanan natin. Diba? May mga ways tayo, no? Depende na lang yung kung gagamitan mo ng eksena. So, what is the Moonology? A win-win outcome forecast. So, see? Mananalo ka sa eksena na to at ipapanalo mo ang laban na to. At the same time, a time for healing. Oh, I told you, di ba? Kinaklarify na kailangan mo magpagalay at kailangan mong gamutin yung mga bagay-bagay pagdating sa'yo. No? What is additional messages? Caring connection. Ang lakas ng energy na may involvement ang relationship dito. So, ibig sabihin, baka hindi ka tanggap ng parents nito or hindi ka tanggap ng magulang nito or either there's a negativity na may gumawa sa iyo ng hindi maganda. It's either kapitbahay, relatives, or friend. So, woman na holding a coin. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw may hawak ng finances or either if you are a Leo, man, na yung person mo yung may hawak ng finances. At the same time, there's a discovery. Ito, na-discover mo na, malalaman mo na lahat ng nangyayari sa paligid mo ay, kumbaga, kagagawa ng taong gumagawa sa inyo. And of course, there's a guest. May kontrabida dito at may raming bisita. Or tumatanggap ka ng bisita, yung pala kontrabida. At the same time, there's an impatient, no? Kumbaga, habaan mo yung pasensya mo. nawawala ka sa ulirat. Charis, nawawala ka sa wisyo or kumbaga parang gusto minamadali yung eksena, ganon. So what is Archangel Michael messages? Ano kasi sinasabi ng Archangel Michael? Take your time making decision, no? Pag-isipan mo raw na maraming beses. At the same time, sense of humor, na kailangan mataas ang sense of humor mo dito. Either kahit na pinagdadaanan ka, kaya mong ngumiti sa kanilang harapan, 'di ba? Hindi mo pinapahalata na may problema ka. So, what is the romance angels? Chemistry. So, ibig sabihin, there's a chemistry. Pagdating sa inyong relationship, there's a magnetic attractions na talagang involvement sa inyong relationship. So, what is the angel's number? So, what is the angel's number? Okay. There's a 7. Sinasabi dito, there's an I am brilliant, no? Napaka-brilliant mo dito. You possess a very refined mind and deep urge to uncover life mysteries. Your ability to acquire vast knowledge on both the informational and spiritual planes give you a greater awareness that most. So, you see? Kumbaga napakatalino mo, kumbaga ang bilis mo makapag-isip at pambilis mo makapick up, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, you have a knowledge that unpredictable and indestructible. Parang ganun siya. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Pero kung sinasabi din dito, guys, there's a unity, no? Kailangan nyo rin ng pagkakaisa with your partner. At the same time, today I bring my attention into the present moment where I become one with the inner light. As I make these consciousness connections, I find myself centered in my heart and begin to glow with my own divinity. Union with the inner light provides me with a wise and stable base from which I can now live every day of my life, no? Kumbaga mayroon talagang pagkakaisa at may kaugnayan sa inyong dalawa. No? Kumbaga pinapalakas at pinapatibay kayo at bilang inyong relasyon at bilang inyong pagsasama, 'di ba? Doon masusubukan at makikita ang kaliwanagan sa isa't isa. So guys, this reading is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2023 for the sign of Leo. This reading sa reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!